Good morning, children. I hope you must have gone through the online explanation of chapter number 3, our environment, properly in our previous session. Now let's start ourselves with the exercises regarding chapter number 3. Let's start with question number 1. Answer the following questions. What does air consist of? Page number 17. Mark the answer. Air cut down has consists of many gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Air also has smoke and dust. This is your answer number 1. Moving on further, question number 2. Explain the water cycle. Page number 18. Water from all water bodies get heated by the sun. Heated water changes into water vapor. The vapor rises high above the earth into the air. It is quite cold there. As a result, the water vapor cools and changes into water droplets. These droplets combine to form clouds. When these clouds get heavy, the water droplets fall as sun. Rain fills up the water bodies. This cycle goes on in nature. It is called the water cycle. This is your answer number 2. Moving on to the next question. Write 5 uses of air. We will mark this answer on page number 17. Page number 17. From heading uses of air. We need air to breathe. Plants need air to make their food. Air is used for filling tires. Wind helps wet clothes to dry. And the last one, a wind helps us to fly kites in the sky. This is your answer number 3. Nextly, what is pollution? Name the different kinds of pollution. We'll mark this answer on page number 19. Page number 19. Mark the answer. Cut down word adding and write down addition. Addition of harmful things to the environment is called pollution. Different types of pollution are such as air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. This is your answer number 4. Moving on to the next question. Write down at least 4 ways by which you can save the environment. Page number 20. Mark the answer. 4 ways by which cut down we can save the environment are hyphen, then mark the answer. Grow more trees to keep the air clean, not throw garbage outside the bin, switch off electrical switches when not in use, and avoid polythene bag and use jute bags. This is your answer number 5. Let's move on to the another question. Give reasons to the following. A. We should not cut trees. We'll mark this answer on page number 19. Mark the answer from the question first. we should not cut trees because, then page number 19, because trees and other plants help in cleaning the air. This is answer number 2, A. Nextly, we should not burn crackers. This answer is again on page number 19. Open page number 19 under the topic air pollution. Air gets polluted by smoke, dust and harmful gases from factories and vehicles. The burning of firecrackers cut down also pollutes air. Polluted air is bad for health and cause breathing problems. This is your answer to B. Let's move on to the exercise 3. Here are a few natural resources. Some are living and some non-living. Draw a circle around the living natural resources. Plants, animals, birds and insects are considered to be the living natural resources. Question number 4. Here are a few waste materials. Match them with the correct dustbins. Pepsi bottle, apple juice tin, jam jar, juice can are considered in the blue bin. Bread, eggshells, banana peel, stale chapati, onion peel, potato peel, tea leaves, etc. are considered in the green bin. Polythene bag, old paper considered in blue bin. Pencil shaving included in the green bin only. Question number 5. Rearrange the letters and rewrite the words. First letter is given. Environment. B1 is atmosphere. Next one is pollution. Now you have to do question number 1, 2, 3 and 5 in your SST notebook. If you have found any problem in this work, then send it to me on my personal window. Okay students, thank you.